We're in Turnberry Park in Carolina Forest, and we're going to look at a great 3-bedroom, 2-bath, first-floor condo. This is a great location in Carolina Forest. It's close to shops, restaurants, grocery stores, schools, the library. Everything's within a very short drive. The beach is about 10 minutes away. Unit D is what we're going to look at, and you'll see this from the porch here in a second, but I like this unit because it's first floor and it's very private. You got a bunch of trees back here behind us, little buffer zone between us and what looks like some more condos back behind here. Brick exterior. Let's take a look inside. So right when you come in, you've got a nice foyer that leads into an open kitchen, dining room, living room. There's a washer and dryer, laundry room here. There's a little coat closet by the front door. And then this is the main living space. Nice and open, granite countertops. This looks right into the living room, and those two doors go out onto a covered porch. A little area here for a dining room table or a breakfast nook. Nice LVP floors. Smooth ceilings, crown moldings. So this is bedroom number 1. It's got its own bath here with a tub shower combo. And there's me. Hi. Nice size room. It's got its own walk-in closet here. Again, in here, there's chair rail moldings, crown moldings. Nice living area. Put a couple bar stools right here. You've got a covered porch here. And like I said, you've got woods behind you. There's a little walking and biking trail that leads down this way. There's a little playground. There's a swimming pool on site. Nice little quiet community here. What's not brick is hardy plank. So you've got concrete fiber siding. Walk through the kitchen. This kind of loops back around to 2 more bedrooms and then back into the living room. So we've got another guest bedroom here with a ceiling fan. Linen closet. We've got another large bathroom here with a tub shower. And then another big bedroom here. I would probably consider this one the master since it's close to the full bath we just looked at. And this one has a nice walk-in closet too. So this is 2025 D Silvercrest in Turnberry Park. Great 3-bedroom condo for sale in Carolina Forest. For more information, give me a call. My name's Jay with Century 21 Boling. All my contact information is right below in the YouTube comment section. Don't miss this one. This is a great buy.